seems that he missed. So, did you see that video that I posted with the huge storm? I wonder if that's where all the water bubbling up over there is coming from, because our lake seems to be a little bit higher this morning. That storm last night was amazing. And so this morning I decided I'm going to go adventuring out a bit into my neighborhood. And right here I have, this is actually another lake only a block away from my house. Isn't that cool? I suppose I have to watch where I'm walking here. There is, I don't know if I'm supposed to even be out here actually. But here I am, and so I decided that today I'm going to answer a couple of questions. And what I mean by a couple of questions is that I'm going to answer multiple questions in one video. So let's see here. I got to figure out how to switch everything around, and these are unedited videos, just like before. Last few I've been saying that were unedited, and they're unedited because I still don't have my main editing machine up and running. Lost the file system on it, and that's been an issue. And here, look at this beautiful view here. This is literally just a block away from my house. Here is, there's that bird over there that I started out with. He was out there fishing. He's looking for stuff, and that's, I think that this is an overflow lake here, and that this is that is water coming from my lake in my backyard. Somebody tried to correct me and say, "Oh, that's actually the lake in your front yard," but you know. So I wonder if this is what the wildlands look like out here. All of these, you know, kind of cactus-looking plants and stuff. I don't know. I don't know what the native environment is around here. So, okay. Well, let's get to the first question, if I can unlock my phone correctly. So, this guy wanted to remain anonymous. So, I'll leave him anonymous. He says, ooh, look at that. You see that up there? The contrail up there? It's getting all highlighted. You know, it's first thing in the morning out here, and maybe we're going to get to see a good sunrise, although we have some fog. That's what the lower lying stuff is. It's actually fog. So many times I come up with ideas for RPGs in new general mechanics to make it more fun to play, more interesting, in stuff like combat systems, and he's even got ideas for an entire game. He says that he's written a book about it, but that he has no PC skills except for basic and a little bit of advanced, but not so much to start a game. I thought there aren't any companies out there that will take or buy game MMO ideas, you know, he's right. There are none that I know of that will take your MMO idea and turn it into a game. And I think that there are two types of games out there, which are, or game ideas out there, which are to have, it's a big company, and they've researched the hell out of everything, and they know exactly what kind of MMO they're going to make, or game they're going to make, and it's very heavily researched, and it is not something where a lot of people get input on it, because it's all based on statistics. And then there is the kind that's from smaller developers that they have a dream, just like you, on making a game, except they have the skills to make it. So I think that if you want your best chances to see it made into a game, maybe you should make it public and make it free domain and allow other developers, market it to game developers, independent game developers or others, under Creative Commons licensing, and see whether or not, you know, maybe somebody will find it and get interested in that. So, okay. Now, I decided I was going to do several questions on this particular video because these all have very short answers. And I tend to do longer videos than just a minute or two. Although I could, but I tend to do a little bit longer. So, this is from J-Min. And this person says that they have about their graphics card. They have a particular type of motherboard. They gave me the specs here. Where do I add the graphics card? If you please send me a private video or instructions on how to do so. What do you think I am? Okay, so you go to your local computer store and you say, I want a new gaming card, here's my PC, please install it for me. How's that for an answer? I don't have the answer on that. Gee whiz. Okay, so next question. I've seen a lot of your videos over the course of a few years and simply searching up odd topics on YouTube and ended up that they were being discussed by you. Isn't that interesting that maybe he's just following in the same realms of the stuff that I talk about? Because there are so many videos on YouTube. How would you multiple times come across me? I mean, the way I figured is that you only see me once, if that. You know, most people have never even heard of me. So he says that he likes that I discuss my experiences, and I was wondering exactly what got me into this lifestyle. I know it's an odd question, but seeing someone that's doing really well, something that they enjoy at my age, come on, surprises me. It's rare to see the honesty, and I wanted to live that kind of lifestyle in a way. Well, okay, so that, I mean, what I do with these videos is really because I am passionate about it, and it just comes natural to me. Now, obviously, I don't mind putting myself out there and being on camera. I'm not a very private person. I do have, you know, private portions of my life that I don't discuss on camera and everything, but, you know, I discuss a lot, you know, like my vlog and stuff like that. I mean, you know, if you go over and watch that, you'll see me talking about other stuff behind the scenes and everything. You know, basically, I love video games, and I love business, and I love sharing. So with that combination comes up with, you know, videos about, you know, buying, you know, or talking about games, gameplay, having to do gameplay to make the stories, oh my, and about, you know, business, because that is, you know, what I do. I mean, I'm self-employed. I have been for a long time, and I intend to stay that way, and I'll do everything I can to stay that way. And then I do like the feedback and everything from the videos. I enjoy doing the videos, and if you know, it helps out with, you know, what all of you are working on, or, you know, questions that you have or whatnot. I mean, if I happen to have the answer, great. If you think I'm full of crap, that's fine too. You know, you don't have to watch. So anyway, those are the questions for today. And so please do subscribe if you just happened across this video, and send me your questions if you have any. I do answer some of them, and the ones that I can't answer, I do. So I'm Marky Dragon. Take care.